Hey everyone, Steve here, and welcome to the demo and walkthrough of Curation Cloud. In this video, I'll be showing you all the cool features and benefits we've managed to put inside Curation Cloud to make creating content easy. So at its basic level, Curation Cloud allows you to fill up your blogs, your websites, and your social media accounts with relevant, interesting content in different niches. So let's take a look at the dashboard now, and we can see here it displays your number of blogs, your social accounts, and your blog posts. This is a statistics board. Let's click on content here, and as we can see, this is the bread and butter of the application. This is where it displays all the different content that you're able to choose from to post to your online accounts. So we can search via term here. So if you want to narrow down on your niche, if you're niche specific, you're going to want to search via niche. You can also choose the age of the content, months, days, or hours. You can sort by date or popularity. You can choose content source here, and you've also got a minimum word count right here. You can also choose whether you want it to require an image or not, depending on whether you're using images in your blog. So here is a new site which I set up, and as we can see, we've got the very lovely Annie Kendrick and also Tom Hardy here, probably not looking his best. As you can see, this website looks pretty awesome, very slick, very well designed. The content looks great, but what's worth noting is every single piece of content on this website was created with Curation Cloud. So I didn't create any of this myself, it was all done by the platform. So this is a news website, and as we can see, it all looks very, very good. So if I go back to the search I did, I'm going to go to content, I think I selected Hollywood, and click search, and as we can see, here's the exact post that I made, and you can see it looks very, very good on the site. I also created a weight loss niche website with content curated by Curation Cloud. I also created a crypto website. Again, all the content looks really, really great, and all of this was done with the platform. So you can already see the type of results you can get, even on my Twitter account with this platform. It all looks great and it works fine. So let's do a search here and see what Curation Cloud can do. So I'm going to search for content marketing, seeing as this is a content platform, and I'm just going to click search, and already we have content related to my search term. Now if I wanted to go ahead and post this, I would simply click on post, and we can see we can edit the post here if you want to, or you can post it as is. So this will be posted to WordPress and to my Twitter account, which I connected earlier. This is what it would look like here. But let's go back, and you can choose as many social bookmarks as you like for people to share to get lots of ranking juice. So we'll just click on these ones for now: Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can choose your image, and then you can choose whichever your accounts you want to post to. So I'm going to post to my Twitter and post to some of the blogs, and then you would simply click publish, or you can go ahead and schedule it ahead of time using the scheduler, and once you've done that, it will appear on the calendar on the left hand side. That's up to you. Worth noting that one of the main new features for the 2021 edition is the addition of the auto poster, which allows you to simply pick a keyword, and then the Curation Cloud platform itself will simply post content on your behalf every single day based on that keyword, without you having to log into the platform or fiddle with any settings. So it's a completely hands-free solution which we've added to this brand new version of Curation Cloud. So let's take a look at auto posters. So again, you can simply create auto poster, search for a term, pick your blog, how many posts a day you want, and you can set it and forget it. Okay, and then you've also got social accounts and blogs and the calendar with your week or month ahead. It's up to you. If you want to know how to add social accounts and blogs, simply go to the tutorial section and I will show you there. So that's kind of the bread and butter of the application. I hope you can see from the demo how easy it is to get out there and start posting content, scheduling content, or auto posting content to all your different blogs and to your social media accounts. And I hope you have a lot of fun using the platform, and I hope you have as much. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your WordPress blog and connect it with Curation Cloud so that you're able to start posting content from inside the app. So if you go to the menu on the left and you go to blogs, now here will be a list of your WordPress blogs. If you haven't added one here, you're not going to see anyway. This is going to be blank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the one I've already connected, and I'm going to show you exactly how I connected it so that you can go ahead and copy. So if you remove this one, first of all, I'm going to copy paste the URL, and then I'm going to remove this. Okay, so this is what you're going to see here if this is a fresh login for you. So let's go ahead and create blog. So it's going to ask us for a bunch of different information here now. So it's going to ask you for the name. Now this doesn't really matter. This is just a name for you to be able to remember it. Let's just say Steve's test blog here. And it's going to ask you for your WordPress URL. So that's why I copy pasted just now. This is the name of my blog, or this is the URL of my blog. So be careful with HTTP or HTTPS if you have a security SSL certificate. It's going to ask you for your WordPress username. So this is the username you would use to log into WordPress every day. And here's my username here, Steve Harvey 212. Now, application password. This is the bit where we kind of have to comply with WordPress's authentication. So we're not going to ask you for your WordPress password itself because that would be unsecure. So here's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to go into the dashboard of your WordPress website and download a plugin called Application Password. So if we go to plugins on the left, and if you click on Add New at the top, and we're simply going to do a search for application password. Oh, it's already there for me. And we'll click search, and it should bring it up. Yeah, application password, here we go. So this is a great app. It's got over 10,000 active installations, and basically what this does, it allows you to create a password inside WordPress for you to be able to authenticate with outside apps without revealing your main password. You don't really need to know how it works, but you just need to know that it's in your best interests to do so. So if you click install here, and then once it's installed, click active. Okay, so once you've done that, go down to users, and if you go to your profile, we'll generate you a password. So scroll down to the bottom. So this will have all your information here. And at the bottom, we'll see the application passwords app. So basically, if you don't have anything here, and if this is a fresh install you want, you're going to need to add name. So I'm just going to say Curation Cloud. I've already got one here that says Curation Cloud, so I'm going to call it Curation Cloud 2 and click add name. And what this is going to do is it's going to generate a password that's not your WordPress password, but that you're able to use to connect with Curation Cloud itself. So click add new. And in a moment, it's going to give us that password. Okay, so this is the password here. However, once you dismiss this little window, you're never going to see this password again. It's not something you can go ahead and retrieve. So you need to either save this in your password manager, or write it down, or do whatever you usually do to remember your passwords. This is important for security. I'm going to copy and paste it here. And just make sure we got that there. And then I'm going to click dismiss. Okay, so back into Curation Cloud, I'm then going to go and put in this password here and then log in. And once you've created that, that's all you need to do. There's no more downloads, there's no more authentication, that's simply all you need to do. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and click create because I'm going to go ahead and delete or revoke this for security because you guys have just all seen that password. Okay, so that's all you need to do to set up your Curation Cloud with your WordPress blog, and then you should be able to start posting content from the content section into your blog itself.